Hello all, today I'll be making sabudana or sago khichdi, or even it is called bhagar. This is Maharashtrian or North Karnataka special fasting dish. So let's start. Here from this small bowl or cup I am taking 3 cups of sabudana or sago. 1 cup, 2 and 3. Here I am adding water, enough water, and we will wash them nicely 2-3 times. Add once more water and wash nicely and strain out the water. Now add water for soaking. Half an inch above sabudana water should be, and let it rest overnight or 6 to 7 hours. I have rested sabudana overnight and see how nicely they have puffed up. It's almost double. I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes, peeled, cut into small cubes and washed 2-3 times and strained out all the water. Next comes here few curry leaves or kadhi patta, little bit of hing, jeera 2 tablespoon, coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, salt to taste, groundnuts which are roasted on a slow flame and peeled the skin. I have peeled off the skin. I will grind this to a coarse powder, not too fine, it's a coarse powder. Now let's start to make the sabudana khichdi. In a hot kadai or a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, hing, then goes jeera 2 tablespoons, now add green chilies 2, once the chilies are fried nicely, add curry leaves, now add potatoes. These are not boiled potatoes. Don't add boiled potatoes or else it will become more sticky and soggy. Fry these potatoes on low flame. Now they are fried nicely. It took me around 5 to 6 minutes. Now they are crisp and light in weight. Now add sabudana or sago. Add the groundnut powder. Here I am adding pink Himalayan salt, or it's called as a senda namak. You can even add normal salt. Coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. After mixing, I felt it is little sticky, so some more groundnut powder I am going to add. Now again mix thoroughly. While mixing, keep the flame very low. After mixing, let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Until sabudana is getting steamed, here I will show you something else. Here I have taken chilies and I have slit and removed the seeds. This is little bit of jeera powder. In this I am going to add salt. Mix it. Add little powdered hing. Spread inside the chilies, very little. After 2 to 3 minutes, don't forget to switch off the sabudana. Fill them all and shallow fry them in 1 tablespoon of oil. I shallow fried them in oil and little more sprinkle salt and jeera powder on top. Here in oil I am frying homemade sun-dried potato chips or potato wafers. This goes well with sabudana khichdi. Now let's check the sabudana. I had already switched off the flame after 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander leaves for garnish and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching.